what's up? This is Jay Hustle. This is my friend Tom Green.
I'm Tommy Green. This is Jay Hustle. Speaking tomorrow at Church of the Redeemer.
That's it. Be there, 6 p.m.
6 p.m. You should be there. Jay Hustle says so.
Jay Hustle says so.
Tommy Green says you should keep going to church and you should go there tomorrow at night when I'm there. Not in the morning. In the morning too, but also you should it's awesome. When I show up, Jay Hustle's on the front line.
On the scene.
He's on the scene and I'm like in the scene too.
On the hustle.
On the hustle too.
On the sleeping.
I'm sleeping.
On the giant.
I'm not sleeping, but on the
awake giant.
Giant. All right.
So be sure to join us tonight at 6 p.m. in the city of Baldwin Park at Church of the Redeemer. Address is 3739 Monterey Avenue, Baldwin Park, 91706. Looking forward to meeting you and seeing you there. God bless.